What is good, YouTube? It's your girl Brinks. Wait a little bit. It's your girl Brinks, y'all. I'm getting my voice back a little bit. But I wanted to come to you guys with a quick little DIY. You guys see my little fish tank. If you guys remember the little DIY that I did with this last year, probably kind of know where I'm going with this. Like, literally, as a designer, sometimes, like, I just have a lot of leftover stuff that I have no clue of what to do with it. So with this, I am just going to create a little scene for my third room decor. So one of the things that I wanted to do was take some of the Dollar Tree stuff that I had. I have like this tree, it's not even straight. And I did want to include like a house, but I just decided like it's not really necessary. So I have two trees that I'm going to include in here. I really hope these don't rust, y'all. I really hope they don't. And we're going to do some water beads on top of these. Now we may have to do these in increments because, to be honest, I'm not really sure how this is going to go. I wanted to do the water beads first, but at the same time, like, I didn't want to end up putting the trees in here through the water beads. And all of a sudden, it's a problem. Alright, so we're going to start off with that. And you guys see that? Alright, so that's kind of where we are, y'all. Right there. Right there. And then I have like these little tiny ornaments that I want to stick in there. Now these I am going to wind up just placing in there like after everything is done. I have this snowflake that I want to use. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. And then I have some confetti. I don't know if I'm going to use that or not. But I know for sure I am going to use this tiny ornaments. And I know for sure I'm going to use the Merry Christmas. I think that it would be really cute. And I'm pretty sure that I'm going to use these pretty blue beads. It's going to look like really, really girly. And all of that stuff, y'all. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add my water in here. I'm actually going to fill up a bottle. All right, y'all, we're going to let it do its thing. And we will be back in the morning. Welcome to the start of Vlogmas number 19. I will see you guys in the morning. All right, guys. So we are back. And I think you guys can see this pretty good. Okay, so the next thing that we want to do with this, and then I'm going to actually show you guys once I finish doing it. So we put all our water bead in there. I had to take out like tons of them. So now I'm just going to arrange my ornaments like so in here. And just be careful, y'all, because like the water beads take up a lot of space, like literally a lot of space. So I still have to like scoop out some because it's like so many in here. And some of them are still freaking growing, y'all. It is nuts. How far did I have to push these things down? Oh my gosh. This is about to spill over. Okay. Okay, I get that one. I get that one to stay down. Okay. I gotta do another one. We go further down.
Bruh.
Okay. Oh my gosh, y'all. I did not think it was gonna be this difficult, but it is. I was not prepared, y'all. I'm gonna scoop out some more. because maybe that'll make it easier. So I might have to come up with a plan B and just pour them on top of the ornaments. So I'm gonna be right back, y'all. I'm gonna be right back. Because this ain't working how I thought it was gonna be working. It ain't as easy as I thought it was gonna be. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So I just put it backwards. But of course, backwards is like perfect for y'all because if you guys do Cricut designs like me, then y'all know backwards is actually the correct side for mirrored images. So I just kind of placed everything in here while I was off camera, kind of how I wanted it to be. And like everything is looking pretty good so far. So one thing that I did notice was the ornaments, they're not going to stay down, you guys. They're going to continue to float straight on up. So I'm just going to let them float straight on up. And then now I'm just going to take the water beads and just, I'm not going to dump them. I'm just going to take the handful and just pour it on top like this and just cover them gently. Because I don't know what's going to happen if I just pour it on top and full like that. And I don't want it to affect like the placement of everything. Like I've already spilled so many everywhere. I know I'm about to deal with like so many dried up beads on the floor, on the counter, in bowls, everywhere. Like y'all will be literally surprised like how many of these little doggone beads go a long way. You will literally think a handful ain't gonna do that much, but a handful is literally more than you think, y'all. It will literally turn out to be so much more than what y'all think. So just be careful with how much y'all use because these little beads are dangerous.
Seriously, mommy.
Or something else. These are nothing to play with, y'all. Nothing to play with. And now I'm just gonna go to dunk them. All right. There we go. Okay. All right, y'all. So that is it. So I will be back to show you guys the final product. Stay tuned, y'all. Alrighty, y'all. I just had to put the finishing touches on it. But there you have it, guys. Our beautiful Christmas scenery. And it changes colors. So pretty. Alright, y'all, let me know what you think about this DIY. Let me know if you tried it. Comment, like, subscribe. Till next time, you guys. See ya. Why are you so cute?
Yeah.
Why are you so cute?
Actually, reveal.